Have you ever wondered how glass is made? Glass begins with sand. The sand is mixed with other materials that help it melt and become stronger. Then the mixture is heated inside a very hot furnace until it turns into glowing liquid glass. While the glass is still hot and soft, it can be shaped in different ways. It can be blown into bottles, pressed into molds, or rolled into flat sheets. After shaping, the glass must cool slowly. This careful cooling helps prevent cracks and makes the glass stronger. Finally, the glass is cut, polished, and ready to become windows, bottles, jars, screens, and many other everyday objects. From simple sand to clear, solid glass, the process is all about heat, shaping, and careful cooling. Subscribe and join the channel for more amazing content about how things work.